Gita means a short trip in Italian, and it's spelled Gita, and Gita takes lots of short trips. The inspiration for Gita and really our company as a whole, we are a new subsidiary of Piaggio Group. So Piaggio Group was the makers of the Vespa. And really in 2015, they took a look at what mobility was looking like. And they realized that we're at the start of an urban mobility revolution. And that the way in which people are going to move in the future is actually in a much more free way than they do now. So right now we use a car to go, a 2-ton mechanical beast to go 3 blocks and then carry back 2 gallons of milk. And it's unnecessary. And there was a time Piaggio built Vespas, and they were part of cities that for centuries, really, people needed to traverse very tight spaces, and they did that long before the automobile existed. And so they set up our company to think about new forms of lightweight mobility to help people move for that short distance movement. And our first product was Gita. And the impetus for Gita was the idea that when you're moving within 2 miles, whether first or last mile commuting or you're running errands, for this short distance movement, you can separate the trunk from the car and it will carry your belongings and keep your hands free to allow you to do these basic tasks that you were otherwise using a car for. So we often say that Gita is the modern day Vespa. It's lightweight, it's nimble, it allows you to move much more freely, and it gives you an alternative to bike, skate, scoot, or walk from point A to point B and have this go with you.